Hi, I'm Jomar Padilla. I'm 24 years old. I live in Barangay Bantug, Science City of Muñoz, Nueva Ecija, Philippines. I graduated at Bulacan Agricultural State College with a degree of Bachelor of Animal Science. I work at Rose Acre Farms as a general farm laborer located at Winterset, Iowa, USA last June 2019 to August 2020. During my work there, my duties and responsibilities was vaccination of chicken, cleaning the houses of the chicken using solar air compressor, operating farm machineries, monitor the health status of the birds, driving tractor, and doing daily production report. After my internship, I came here in the Philippines and now I'm currently working at Bounty Press Food Incorporated as a poultry farm supervisor. My duties and responsibilities are attend daily production briefing, monitor and effect of basic management, monitor and ensure the biosecurity and company policies inside the farm, check the health status of the birds every day, controlling the ventilation inside the poultry houses depending on the comfortability of the birds. My hobbies are watching movies, cooking, and badminton when on my free time. And my personal skills are I'm a hardworking person, passionate, honest, flexible, multitasking. And I'm willing to learn more techniques and skills to enhance my knowledge regarding in poultry farming. And that's it. Thank you.